Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some recommendations, some deals, some things that are on sale. But from here we have to go into the little person icon, so tap on this, and then in the account section we tap on settings, and then in settings we tap on password change. Here we can just type in our current password, then the new password that we want to change it to, and then we just tap on save changes to finalize the password change. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.